Venus, known for being a hellish planet, is the hottest planet in the solar system. With an average temperature of around 867 degrees Fahrenheit, it would seem that Venus is 100% uninhabitable. So, why is Venus being considered as a location for human colonies by NASA? Let's take a step back for a minute. Venus was first accurately observed in 1610 by Galileo Galilei. He noticed that Venus seemed like it was going through phases, similar to the Moon. This observation helped concrete the theory that the planets orbit the Sun, not the Earth, as was previously believed. Fast forwarding, the first missions to Venus began in the 60s, during the space race. The first missions were launched by the Soviets, but all resulted in failure. It wasn't until NASA launched Mariner 2 that a mission to Venus would succeed. Mariner 2 would go down in history as the first successful interplanetary spacecraft. Currently, there have been 38 missions to Venus, with 18 being unsuccessful. Later missions revealed Venus's size, around 81.5% of Earth's mass, and what Venus's atmosphere looked like, a large layer of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide accounts for 96.5% of the planet's atmosphere. This is why Venus is so hot, due to its atmosphere which traps heat from the sun very effectively. So, what part of the planet is habitable? The answer to this question is in the clouds. The region where Venus's clouds hang, from 29 to 43 miles above the surface, has a constant temperature that is habitable. Additionally, the atmosphere provides enough buoyancy for things to float more easily than on Earth. This is also aided by the lowered gravity. Venus's gravity is about 90% that of Earth's. These factors combined paint the possibility of a floating Venusian colony, not unsimilar to Cloud City from Star Wars. Venus is also the closest planet to Earth, making resource movement much easier. After the Moon and Mars, Venus is next in line to be colonized by humans. I'm looking forward to it. Are you? Would you live in a Venusian colony high above the surface of Venus? Let me know in the comments. See you guys next week.